Guys, welcome back once again in this video, and in this video today I'm gonna share with you some few important, few crucial words that you can learn. If you learn these words and if you apply these words in your English, that I believe that your English can be very impressive. You can improve your English speaking very easily. So including these words that I'm gonna share with you, you can learn some other phrases, some other celebrity words, some other idioms, and if you apply those idioms, those phrases, those celebrity words in your English, I believe that your English can be very crucial, your English can be very beautiful, and you can sound very formal, very like a native speaker too also. And overall, the first thing that you need is confidence. Without confidence, it is impossible to improve your English speaking, because always remember that confidence is the key. Before going to the main crux, let's to subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on this video, and to share this video with your friends and family, as if in this way we can improve our English speaking easily and confidently. So there are so many celebrity words that you can use in your English to improve your English speaking, but among them I'm going to share with you some a few of them. Let me share these words: eccentric, aesthetic, pessimistic, optimistic, enthusiastic, aromatic, energetic, fantastic, authentic, sympathetic, and there are so many words too. Now let me explain in short those words. Okay, first, eccentric, and the spelling is on your screen. An eccentric person behaves differently from others, not weird, just unique. Next, fantastic, something mind-blowing, amazing, wonderful, that is fantastic. And energetic means full of energy. If you wake up to ready to conquer the world, you are energetic. Enthusiastic means very excited and passionate. Now here mindset matters. Optimistic people expect good things to happen, but pessimistic people always expect the worst. Now aesthetic means beautiful and artistic. If your room looks like stylish and pleasing, it's aesthetic. And aromatic means having a pleasant smell, like fresh coffee, aromatic. Sympathetic means caring and understanding others' feelings. And finally, authentic, be real, be original, be authentic. So learn new words, upgrade your personality, improve your English speaking. Now including these all words, let me create a paragraph and let me tell you the paragraph. Let me explain the paragraph. In life, you may meet an eccentric person with unusual habits, but that uniqueness can be truly fantastic. An energetic and enthusiastic attitude helps you stay optimistic even when others feel pessimistic about the situation. A person with an aesthetic sense enjoys beautiful things and may love aromatic flowers or coffee. At the same time, being sympathetic towards others' feelings makes you kind and respected. Most importantly, always remain authentic, because being real is your greatest strength. So here you have realized that how I use those words in my a simple paragraph to make a paragraph to improve my English speaking. That is why I always say in my videos, in my previous videos, that learn some new words, some new celebrity words, new vocabularies, new idioms, new phrases that you can use in your English to improve your English speaking. So never feel under the weather, the ball is always in your court, always I say that. And please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and to share this video to your friends and family. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, bye bye.